Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing wonderful. I'm back with a very simple and healthy recipe, cocoa almond butter. For this, take a cup of almonds and dry roast them till golden brown. Once the almonds are golden brown, off the flame and let the almonds cool down. Then take them into a blender and blend them till they become powder. Add a pinch of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar and half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. And if you skip the sugar, then it is good for people on keto diet. Continue grinding the almonds till the natural oils are out and it turns to a paste. Keep checking and mixing in between. It totally takes 4 to 5 minutes for almonds to become paste. And that's it. It's ready to store and refrigerate. You can apply this butter onto a bread slice and have it like that, or you can even place some bananas onto them. Or you can toast it and eat it like a sandwich like I did. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.